Vijayawada is the third largest city in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The city has been nominated as one of the 65 cities under the JNNURM mission. Under this mission, a lot of infrastructure development has taken place in Vijayawada. The Municipal Corporation of Vijayawada has embarked on a journey to make Vijayawada an environmentally sustainable city, and Philips is proud to have partnered with VMC for sustainable lighting solutions.
Under JNNURM project, Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission, so Vijayawada has taken up a lot of initiatives for creating infrastructure development, particularly drinking water, water supply and underground drainage system and housing program, particularly for the poor, and roads development, lighting. So all these areas we have touched upon. We are near about 1428 crores has been earmarked for development of Vijayawada city. So I feel lighting is a soul of the body, like a soul for body. For city glow also, lighting is important. So we have planned for giving a uniform lighting, particularly slum areas where people are, the density of population is high. We have taken up 10 important roads to widen, to make free flow of traffic. So for that we have seen a good lighting. So for that I have utilized the Philips company. We have given a good lighting on the standards of international standards. Under the JNNURM project, we have taken up housing in big way. Near about 20,000 houses were sanctioned. Out of it, 15,000 have been taken up and completed. Where we want to give street lighting, solar lighting. We have already taken up 3 pilot projects in street lighting. But slowly, we want to see during these pilot projects, what is the efficiency level, how these appliances are effectively functioning, or what is the services required in these areas. The Philips have come forward, they have executed the street lighting in housing projects. In the similar way also, in the three pilot projects also, they have submitted a project report. They have given, they have made the survey and suggested the important things which are needed in that pilot project. They have submitted their consulting services to the corporation.
So in light of Solar City project, we approached Vijayawada Municipal Corporation with our range of LED solar street lighting system and presented an idea to install solar street lights in various primary roads, secondary roads, government offices and housing colonies. We were given an opportunity to do a feasibility study and come up with a pilot project. So a detailed analysis was made based on the findings, and 21 watt LED solar street lighting system was proposed. And based on our findings, VMC placed a work order on Philips to do a pilot project at Jakampudi Housing Colony, which is developed under JNNURM scheme.
Our city also has been identified as a sustainable city, particularly environmentally sustainable city through street lighting. Initially, Vijayawada city has a consumption of 98,35,133 kilowatt hour units. Now it has come up to 72,06,081 kilowatt hour, a saving of 30% by using the low cost, low consumption efficient appliances in the street lighting system. Since beginning we have a great association with the Philips company. So all the street lighting they have taken up, particularly in the hill areas we have shifted the all tube lights into SV lamps. Some important streets also they have given a good lighting. So there is Philips also has helped us to give you a sustainable lighting in the main streets. In our city we have taken LED also as a partner all along the solar city. So little bit it's a costly, but it's a future answer to the energy efficient cities. Then slowly we want to, in the 5 years plan, we want to convert this city, present city, into solar city in full-fledged manner. So it's a long way to go.